This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Chromecast and inserting it into an HDMI port on your Sharp TV. Plug the supplied power adapter into a wall outlet rather than the TV USB. This avoids underpowering the device. Once done, switch the TV to that exact HDMI input and keep your mobile device or laptop on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. Make sure the room has strong signal. Proximity to the router during setup reduces dropped connections and speed. Next, open the Google Home app and add a device. This is how Chromecast and Sharp TV link. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, then follow prompts to detect Chromecast. When the app shows a code, confirm the code on the TV. That verifies you're connecting to the correct unit. After confirmation, select your Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Wait while Chromecast downloads updates. Do not unplug it. This step completes the device registration and network handshake. Finally, open a Cast-enabled app or Chrome, tap the Cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. Video should appear on the Sharp TV. If you don't see sound or picture, first check TV volume and that the correct HDMI input is selected. Make sure Chromecast firmware finished updating, and reboot the Chromecast and router if streaming lags or devices won't discover each other. One key troubleshooting tip: factory reset the Chromecast only after other fixes. It resolves persistent pairing or network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.